Here we can see a brick paver patio. Over time, the algae and the like begin to grow on the brick paver. And you can see right in here, you get these black spots developing, some of this, dirt and algae build up here. You even begin to have moss that accumulates between the brick. And what that can do is that can, begin to pull up the sand and spread the brick out. So with the pressure washing treatment, we actually, not only do we clean and make, help restore the look of the pavers, we pre-treat the brick and the paver with a chlorine solution that's actually going to prolong the life of the pavers by killing the algae and also any moss that may be growing between. The solution is safe enough where it's not going to harm any plants or discolor the paver. It'll actually brighten everything up. We begin by pre-treating, and then we follow it with a pressure wash process using a surface cleaner that creates a nice, even, uniform result. We don't use a little wand with a little tip at the end, which causes those zebra stripes that you so often see. So, again, this is the before video of the paver cleaning.